All right. All right. Look who look who's made it back. Look who's made it back to the camera, in front of the camera. So, hey, I've been gone. I've been gone for a minute. I've been gone for, 3 weeks because I've been really trying to focus on building my business and building pretty much that's it. Building business, rebuilding relationships, just tapping back in the most important places of my life. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, a lot of times you have to, kind of focus on what's most important. So, what we are talking about today, I was just sitting and thinking, right? And I was like, you know what? What are some of the things? What are some of the things that I hear people say all the time, and they kind of, not that they don't know, but they just pretty much don't understand. And what I'm talking about is, investing versus trading. You'll hear people talk about, yeah, man, I'm investing in this, and I'm going to invest in this, and I'm going to trade. I want to be a day trader, and I want to be, I hear a lot of these things just kind of thrown around a lot, and I really don't think people understand the difference. You know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to do a little short episode, all right? A little short episode, just kind of really making you guys understand what investing is and what trading is. I mean, if for people that want to be a day trader or they want to be an investment, it's a very good decision. It's probably one of the most important decisions in your life. But investing versus trading is two different things. So today's episode is going to be brought to you by my company, Carter Williams Realty. Yes, sir. Should be up in the left corner, right corner. Not sure. You'll see it. And that, again, my business. If you know anybody, or if you, anybody in your family, circle of friends, co-workers, or whatever, that needs to get rid of their property for whatever reason. I'm talking, divorce, relocate and move into another city, just can't afford it anymore. I'm trying to think of anything, just about anything we can have a very high percentage of stepping in and helping people close very quickly when they need to really get out of a situation and get out of a crib that they just need to completely get out of pretty quickly. We help people like that, and then we turn around and then we make people homeowners. You know what I'm saying? So people that are looking to buy a home, man, holler at me, because we're not credit based. We're buyer based. All right. So we don't go by your credit. We just look at some financial things. We make sure that you can make the down payment and make, monthly payment and stuff like that. And you have your home. So yeah, that's it. Let's get started. Investing versus trading. All right. It's two different things. Let's talk about it. Let's get your pens out, get your notepads out. Let's go. All right. So where we at? Let's jump right in here. All right. So let me if I can get to my screen. Investing versus trading. So investing. Let's look at and let's read what the technical definition of investing is. Okay. So check this out right here. It says investing. Investing is about building wealth over time through strategic acquisitions and holding of assets. For most people, that's going to be stocks, bonds, shares in mutual funds, exchange traded funds, which is ETF. So basically, investors typically purchase and maintain a diverse portfolio of these assets along with alternatives like real estate for years and for decades. So investing, get that. Investing is something that you invest in for a long period of time. Okay. When you invest in something, when you hold a stock, that means whatever stock that you hold, you are going to be holding that stock for a long time, 5 years, 10 years, hell, sometimes even 15 years. Okay. So that's investing. So when you say investing, you know that that's going to be a long term deal. All right. Next, trading. I hear people say it all the time. Yeah, man, I want to be a day. I want to be a. There's a bunch of different types of trading. You know, there's day trading, there's scalping, there's swing trading, there's what's that? You can do. You know, if you're buying options, if you're buying leap options. I mean, man, it goes. There's a bunch of different types of trade, but trading. All right, let me scroll down to it. And let me see, what's trading? Trading, right? It is. Check this out. So, trading takes a fundamentally different approach to financial markets. All right, it says traders actively buy and sell financial instruments, stock, bonds, and commodities, currencies, options, things like that, based on anticipated price shifts over relatively brief periods. So, trading is going to be something that you buy for a specific time, for a specific period. You can, sometimes I will trade something, I will jump in something and jump right back out within about 2 minutes. That's going to be scalping. Sometimes sometimes I'll sell an option and I'll hold it for 2 months. So that's going to be trading. I'm trading. You know what I'm saying? You're jumping in something and you're jumping right back out. Okay. So I just wanted y'all to know the difference. All right. So for everybody that's going to be, that wants to invest, let me tell you this. It's going to be the best decision that you ever made in your life. Investing. I'm telling you, with AI and everything, and with the world changing, and with everything the way it is right now, I'm telling you, whoever, I don't know what you do for a living, but just know that there could be computers or machines or artificial intelligence or I don't know. I don't know what you do, but I'm telling you, what I'm saying is you have to learn another skill. I beat that dead horse all the time. You have to learn another skill. You can't be somebody this is all I know how to do. You're just not going to make it. You're just not. You have to learn another skill. And if you sit on your ass at the house every day, or just go to work, make your life routine. I just go to work, I just come home. I just go to work, and I just come home. A job, unless it's your career, and that's something that you want to do and you love to do, nothing wrong with that. But for the majority of people, you're going to have to learn something else. And this, my teacher says all the time, this is the easiest way. This is the hardest way to make easy money. Yeah, I think. Yeah. I got that right. It's the hardest way to make easy money in the stock market. Investing, every time you get paid, you need to research a stock that's growing and building and gaining and getting bigger and bigger every year, and you need to invest in it. Every time you get paid, I tell my son, a share a pay period. So that's what the lesson was about today. It was short and sweet. We just wanted to look at investing versus trading. That's it. Next episode, we're probably going to be talking about a hot stock. I'm telling you, Netflix is at $72. All the way down from $160, $150, and $60. Right now is the time to buy Netflix. We'll talk about that later. So, subscribe to the channel. I know I've been gone for a while, but we're fixing to be more consistent, okay? So, subscribe, give your boy a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought about it. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Hey, we're back in action. This is your boy Lil Trey. From Fracking to financial freedom. I'm out.